तो ये मैंने जो दिखाया था ना, देखो ये मुझे दिखा रहे हैं, ये देखो, ये देखो, ये देख रहा है सेम, ये वाला है, ये जो गाता था ना तब। That's cool.
Now we are in Government of Pakistan section, and we have the like the first cabinet of Pakistan.
ये जो हमारा पाकिस्तान, ईस्ट पाकिस्तान वेस्ट पाकिस्तान का पासपोर्ट बना था वो 1951 में पहला बना था। और देखो पहले इंग्लिश, उर्दू और बंगाली में भी रखा हुआ है। मैं बाहर बैठा ये सोच रहा था कि इतना बड़ा ट्रेन का इसके अंदर कैसे आया होगा। छोटा छोटा टुकड़ा लाके उन्होंने इसको जोड़ा यहाँ पे।
So after focusing on like then Calcutta, and we have seen the history of like the War of Plassey, which fought between Mir Jafar and Nawab Sirajuddaulah. And Nawab Sirajuddaulah army contains about like 45,000 to 50,000. And on the other hand, like the historians tell us, the East India Company, the army was only around 3,000 to 5,000. But East India Company won the war because only due to Mir Jafar. Because at the end of the day, here the Mir Jafar make a collaboration with East India Company and betrayed his his king like Nawab Sirajuddaulah, and due to which East India Company won in this area. And here is also a famous palace as told by our another historian. Yeah.
What was the name of that palace? Namak Haram.
Narakama Diori. Yeah. So basically, the Lahore resolution section tells us about the resolution passed in this area by the name of Minto Park. So what happened in Minto Park? So the famous leader by the name of Maulvi Abul Qasim Fazlul Haq, also called the Sher Bengal in this area, like Indian subcontinent, and the very famous of the East Pakistan, now called as Bangladesh. So this person basically presented the Lahore resolution, and in Lahore resolution, have you seen the pictures and videos? We demanded for a separate state, and now in this park, like in area, there is a famous minar by the name of Minar-e-Pakistan, which started to construct in 1960 and completed in 1968. Yeah.
What's that?
This is original famous resolution, Lahore resolution, like word by word.
That was given by AK Fazlul Haq.
AK Fazlul Haq, yeah. It's all about the All India Muslim League, which founded in 30 December 1906 in Dhaka. So basically the revolution of All India Muslim League started to make in East Pakistan, like the most of our East Bengal, like the very famous revolutionists. So also the All India Muslim League, so made in Dhaka, and it's very most important to understand like the basic roots of All India Muslim League. And here's all the All India Muslim Leagues, their struggle until 1947. So now we are in Lahore resolution section. Is the famous architecture of Minar-e-Pakistan by the name of Nasruddin Murad Khan. And if you focus on the first map architecture by Nasruddin Murad Khan of Minar-e-Pakistan, and here is an East Pakistan and here is a West Pakistan. At that time, because before making a Bangladesh before 1971, so it is the clear map of East Pakistan and West Pakistan on the first map made by Nasruddin Murad Khan, and your back side is the final like the image of Lahore resolution and also the Minar-e-Pakistan. Here, yeah, here's the longest standing tower building, and there is a famous like the flower which we have seen like in Minar-e-Pakistan, which started to construct in 1960 and completed in 1968. So it took 8 years to complete of Minar-e-Pakistan. So now we are in the map of Pakistan, the India, East Pakistan, West Pakistan before 1971 making of Bangladesh. So if you focus here, here is an East Bengal, which was the East Pakistan before 1971. And if you focused on in this area of map, so this was the West Pakistan, and now this is called in Pakistan like that area, okay. But in 1971 it's got separated, and now it's called Bangladesh, this part. And here is an India, like United Provinces, Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, etc. And this is now called as Pakistan.
ये ट्रेन का बोगी पहले का है ना, और ये किस चीज़ का?
Yeah, this is
What's
the basically logo of North Western Railway, as written here, North Western Railway, who Britishers made in 1856 in Indian subcontinent. Yeah.
पर ये इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन, ये इतना बड़ा ये ट्रेन का इसके अंदर कैसे आया?
Basically, this is the original box of train, like who traveled of migration refugees in 1947, and the engineers bought this train box in parts, and after coming here, they collected their parts in like the
हाँ,
train.
मैं बाहर बैठा ये सोच रहा था
Yeah.
कि इतना बड़ा ट्रेन का इसके अंदर कैसे आया होगा। छोटा छोटा टुकड़ा लाके उन्होंने इसको जोड़ा यहाँ पे। ओह, ये क्या है?
Basically, this
Camp
is a
है ना?
refugees camp. The refugees who migrated in 1947 from India to Pakistan, so they used to live and settle in like the whole one family. There were 6 to 7 members, like living in these tents and camps. Now we are in the Government of Pakistan section, and we have the like the first cabinet of Pakistan consisted of the 7 ministers, including the Prime Minister. And if we focus here, the Fazlur Rahman, Minister for Interior Information and Education, who was from Dhaka.
तो अभी यहाँ पे हम बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट की तरफ आया, यानी कि पासपोर्ट ऑफिस। ये जो हमारा पाकिस्तान, ईस्ट पाकिस्तान वेस्ट पाकिस्तान का पासपोर्ट बना था वो 1951 में पहला बना था। और देखो पहले इंग्लिश, उर्दू और बंगाली में भी रखा हुआ है, यानी कि बंगाली को भी हमने आज तक अपने दिल में वैसे एज इट इज़ रखा हुआ है, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे ये सबसे पहले हमारे पास ये पासपोर्ट आ रहा है, ये किसका है?
A common man, like, but the special one is in your back side, like the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, Liaquat Ali
Oh,
Khan.
Liaquat Ali Khan.
Yeah.
That's adorable.
And also the passports of early passports here in this video of East Pakistan and West Pakistan.
यहाँ पे कोई बांग्लादेशी एक्टर
There are many, like at that
कितने
time,
क्यूट बने हुए हैं।
like if you open that,
Can you hold? अच्छा, ये उनका गाना भी अंदर बज रहा है।
yeah,
ये कौन है? फरीदा खान।
Frida Khan.
वाह। अच्छा, अगर इसका बंद करेंगे, ओ गाना बंद हो जाता है।
Yeah,
That's awesome।
as you
यानी कि
open-
ये रेशमा का है,
रेशमा।
अगर ये खोलेंगे
Yeah.
तो yeah, it's low. Let me. So this is Zubeda
Zubeda
Khan.
Khanum. As you open after 5 seconds, the like 10 seconds, the songs play.
That's pretty cool. यानी कि जिस तरह ही हम खोलते हैं
Yeah.
लिखा हुआ है ओपन टू रीड एंड लिसन,
Yeah.
यानी कि ये बंद हो गया।
Yeah.
और ये है मलाइका
Malkai Pukhraj. Yeah.
पुखराज। इनका हिस्ट्री सारा लिखा है, जैसे ही ओपन होगा इनका गाना वगैरह चलेगा। जिसने भी ये सोच के बनाया ना, दिस इज़ वेरी कहते हैं प्रैक्टिकल और ब्यूटीफुल। लता मंगेशकर है?
No, that's the name written behind. Mulkai Pukhraj.
और एक वो भी था वहीद मुराद,
Yeah.
वो है यहाँ पे।
Wahid Murad, yeah, we have.
वहीद
Come
मुराद, ओके, देख रहा है। ये शबनम, ठीक है, शबनम जहना बसार रोज टू फेम विद द हिट बंगाली फिल्म हरूना। ये मेरे बाबा को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद थी शबनम, ठीक है। ये बंगाली एक्ट्रेस है, ओके। और उसके बाद ये वहीद मुराद, इसको भी मैंने अपने वालिदैन के मुंह से काफ़ी सुना हुआ है इसका भी। और ये ज़ेबा, ये तीनों, इन तीनों को मैं जानता है और अपने माँ बाबा की ज़ुबान से जानता है, बाकी किसी को नहीं। और ये शबनम का बड़ा सुना हुआ है। तो इतने ज़्यादा फेमस एक्ट्रेस और सिंगर्स हैं, इनमें से कोई भी अलाइव नहीं है, पर ये वाला एक पर्सनैलिटी और ये बंगाली है, ठीक है, मैं दिखाता है। ये है रूना लैला, ये बोर्न हुआ 1952। अरे अभी तो इनका एज काफ़ी हो गया होगा।
Yeah, और ये अभी तक जिंदा है.
वाह, दैट्स कूल। ये इनका सारा
And that's the
information है।
only one जो कि हमारे old popular playback singer में से जिंदा है.
तो ये मैंने जो दिखाया था ना, देखो ये मुझे दिखा रहे हैं, ये देखो, ये देखो, ये देख रहा है सेम, ये वाला है, ये जो गाता था ना तब। That's cool.
That's all about the young historians, the coming generations, like who will made historians like their future generations. That's all about the singing section of Madam Noor Jahan. Painting section, there is a very famous painter by the name of Sadiq Khan. So basically, this is a constitution section. The three constitutions are passed in the history of Pakistan, like the 1956, 1962, and 1973. So here is a brief introduction of the first constitution passed in Pakistan. We want to see the government of Pakistan, the Ministry of Law, and the constitution was received as in the 2nd March in 1956. And here are the different articles, schedules. These are preambles, and the next one is the Republic of the Territories, etc. Section about the central government and financial procedure of the center. Also some other pages like the articles, their subschedules, etc. And the constitution was passed under the legacy of this person, Ayub Khan at that time, etc. Like in 1956, there were 234 articles, 13 parts, and 6 schedules. As similarly, in 1962 Constitution, there were 250 articles, 12 parts, and 3 schedules. Similarly, in the last Constitution, which now enacted in Pakistan, in 1973, there were 280 articles, 12 parts, and 7 schedules. That's what.
उम्मीद करता है आज का वीडियो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, और आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट करिएगा, और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। और मज़ीद अच्छी वीडियो पाने के लिए वाइट न्यूज़ बंगला के साथ जुड़े रहिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।